Lesson 6. Accept the limits of your pain. As Stoics try to help us deal with pain and suffering, they push us to face a deep truth: the bounds of pain. Marcus Aurelius rightly said, "The pain is neither unbearable nor unending, as long as you keep in mind its limits and don't magnify them in your imagination." To accept the boundaries of pain is to realize that even though pain, suffering, and illness are real parts of life, they don't control us. Their presence does not define our whole lives, nor do they have the power to keep our lives in darkness forever. The Stoics say that we should face pain with clarity and calmness, and not let our thoughts make it bigger or last longer than it really is. Pain can look like a lot of different things, from physical discomfort to mental suffering. But how we think about and judge pain can make it worse. Picture pain as a storm that comes and goes, strong but short-lived. With this viewpoint, we have more resilience to withstand the storm. When we know that pain has its limits, we can break free from fear and hopelessness because we know that it will go away soon, making room for better days. In a deep sense, accepting the bounds of pain is an act of great wisdom. It helps us deal with pain by reminding us that it is not the end of the world, just a temporary part of our journey. This Stoic lesson gives us the strength to find comfort in the fact that pain doesn't last forever and to face it with grace and bravery.